A 30-year-old female complains of fatigue and is unable to gain weight. On examination, her body feels warm. So we are talking about gender female. We are talking about rather failure to gain weight. So either the weight of this person is static, right? Or it could be even having a decreasing trend. So though the question is not mentioned a decreasing word, but at least the person is concerned about the fact that she's always tired and her weight is on the lower side. And her body temperature is rather elevated. So either she's having some infection contributing to low grade fever, or it could be a possibility that she's having some autoimmune disorder which is causing basal metabolic rate to be more. Well, you can understand because the question is giving options of thyroid hormones. Therefore, we are talking about here is Graves' disease. In a young female reproductive age group, Graves' disease could be present, and Graves would cause autoimmunity to rather cause overproduction of thyroid hormones. So T4 and T3 will definitely increase because the autoantibody, the name of the autoantibody is long acting thyroid stimulating antibody, that the antibody has chemical structure like TSH. So it will stimulate the gland and it will cause overproduction of T4 and T3, and by feedback the TSH values will become relatively lesser. So if you look at the options here, option A says high TSH with normal T3 T4. Unlikely, no, Graves does not have a normal T3 T4. So option number A is ruled out. And anyway, where do you get option number A? You get option number A with subclinical hypothyroidism, especially in young females who are having weight on the higher side and menstrual abnormalities. Lots of time in this young female who's having weight on the higher side and menstrual abnormalities, if you get thyroid function test done, you will notice that T3 and T4 is normal, TSH is elevated. That is primarily subclinical hypothyroidism and usually does not require treatment. If the value of TSH is more than 10, then treatment of subclinical hypothyroidism is given, but otherwise routinely there is no need except for monitoring the patient. So option A is ruled out because that is lab profile of subclinical hypothyroidism. When you say high TSH with euthyroid state, that basically is same as option number A. So A and C are basically meaning the same only. We have the answer before us anyway. That is option number B. Low TSH with high T3 T4 is a presentation of what we call as primary hyperthyroidism. So to get my terms right, primary hyperthyroidism basically implies that there is an autoantibody. The name of the antibody is LATS. The chemical structure is like that of TSH, so it continuously stimulates the gland, overproduces T4, T3, and the TSH values would downgrade and might even become undetectable in this particular case. The key to this question was rather the increased basal metabolic rate, because of which the lady is not able to gain weight, or it could be weight loss pattern, and along with that, body temperature is elevated. So, though the information given is sparse, considering the options and the clinical profile given, we can suspect that this lady could be having a query Graves. And how do you know it is Graves? Obviously, you need to do a thyroid function test and antibody titer, and that is how you would be able to localize the disease. So the correct answer for question number 3 is option number B.